Hi everybody, so this video will be on Steem, S-T-E-E-M, and the website for this platform is steemit.com, S-T-E-E-M-I-T.com. So what is this new platform? It's an incentivized blockchain-based social media platform, which is very interesting. Basically, it's a blockchain database that supports the community building and social interaction with cryptocurrency rewards. So basically, take Reddit, maybe Twitter, and well, not Twitter. It's mainly Reddit, and you put it on a blockchain, uncensored now. You can't censor it, and you incentivize posting content using cryptocurrency. Very interesting. For let's say you love making recipes and sharing them, instead of sharing them on websites to basically for the hell of it, at no profit or revenue. Now you can share it here, talk about whatever you want to talk about, and if people like what you're posting, and comment, they can upvote your posting, and for every upvote you get some Steem dollars, and you can use these tokens to exchange them to Bitcoin and make money out of it basically. So basically it combines the concepts from social media lessons learned from building cryptocurrencies and their communities. I just have the white paper up, and I'm just going to go through a few things which I thought was very interesting. So basically here, in 2014, Reddit hypothesized that its platform would be improved if everyone who contributed to Reddit by posting stories, adding comments, or voting were rewarded with a fair share in Reddit Inc. Well, that would be very difficult to implement. So if you're a Reddit user posting quality content and you're rewarded by having actual shares in the corporation Reddit, that corporation will have to issue shares like crazy, which will not be very viable because the share price would drop with every issue of shares. Steem comes at it a different way. You create social media platform and you reward them with the cryptocurrency, which is mineable, by the way. You can look into mining Steem tokens, and you can trade it. Last I checked, it's trading for like $2 US. I'm using here my app for CoinCap app. Yep, $2.11. Pretty interesting. I'm actually considering myself to purchase a few of those tokens, and you can do that on the website itself, or you can go to Bittrex, bittrex.com, and it's basically an exchange that is between cryptocurrencies, and you can purchase quite a bit using Bitcoin or any other currency. So what does the Steem community provide in terms of services to its members? It provides a source of curated news and commentary, a means to get high quality answers to personalized questions, a stable cryptocurrency pegged to the US dollar, free payments, jobs providing above services to other members, which is very interesting. And if you think about it, the first point is a source of curated news and commentary. That's what Reddit does, except now on Reddit you can be easily censored by posting something controversial or not politically correct. Like you can post something about terrorists being mean and terrible and they need to die, which I approve of, but somebody among those guys may feel bad or may not feel very well about that and offended, and happens to be a member of Reddit and can vote you down or get you censored. Pretty stupid. Anyway, just dumb example. I apologize. Um, a means to get high quality answers to personalized questions. You get that if the host on YouTube is very interactive, which I try to be. I'm not very on top of things right now, whereas in regards to answering every question on so many videos that I have right now. But here with more replies to each and every comment, you actually get rewarded for that. Cryptocurrency being pegged to the US dollar, I think that's interesting. But if the US dollar starts falling, then that cryptocurrency will fall, which I'm still studying. I need to look into this a little bit more before investing in it. I might do it now, buy some tokens now, and maybe sell a few days later or weeks. Just to, after a return, I can see here from Bittrex that BTC to Steem tokens, the value went up 4.8%. I'm keeping an eye on that right now. If it goes above 10%, it's worth investing in. So free payments, well, it comes with any cryptocurrency. Well, maybe there's no transaction exchanges. Basically, you're getting paid directly, and yeah, you can do whatever you want with those tokens. Job providing above services to other members. Well, you can help each other basically on that platform. So there's two different currencies on Steem. There's Steem Power and Steem itself. But first, I want to discuss how ways to contribute. They talk about here there are two items a community can offer to attract capital: depth and ownership. Those who buy ownership profit when the community grows, but lose if the community shrinks. Simple. Yeah. Basically, you're buying something, and if its value goes up, you gain. If its value drops, it drops. Those who buy depth are guaranteed a certain amount of interest, but do not get to participate in any profits realized by growth of the community. Both types of capital contributions are valuable to the growth of the community. I disagree with that. I hate debt. Debt has a terrible effect on growth. It's artificial growth. If you can create value out of something and grow it and trade it, then you are doing something good. If you're just lending out of nowhere, it's not good. So, Steem is constantly increasing in supply by 100% per year due to non-SMD incentives. I'm not sure what that is. I'm just gonna skip through a bunch of crap. If you want to look into the white paper and read it yourself, you can do that yourself. But basically, what you're trying to do is offer a stable exchange rate and free capital movement and independent monetary policy, which is interesting. And pegging it to the US dollar, you can easily see what a post is. If a post made you $15,000, you are actually getting 15,000 US dollars, which is pretty cool. You can convert that to Bitcoin and move it however you want. Basically, I made like 3 posts and I got $6. I'm just sticking around on that thing. But yeah, mining in Steem. To achieve this, they don't really go into technicality. However, they seem to be using proof of work. But yeah, and mining rewards require Steem power, and they go into the algorithm itself. Anyway, so it's a new platform. I'm still exploring it. I just started this a Saturday, working on it, just looking into it. I will make another video and discuss it more in details when I have more information. But I did want to bring it up to you guys. Maybe you can even do your own research, look into it, and see. Maybe post a few things, benefit yourself. Yeah, and make sure you buy Bitcoin and gold. Protect yourself. Take care, guys.